Hi friends. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Isabel. I'm happy to see you on my channel. "600 grams pork tenderloin, about 1 1/3 pounds. Pork tenderloin is super tender and cooks really fast, so it stays nice and juicy. You can toss it in a quick marinade, pan-sear it, or roast it, and it always turns out great for any meal. Slice the pork tenderloin lengthwise. Repeat after me, it's really easy. I'm very curious what city you're watching my video from. Pound the meat under parchment paper. I use parchment paper for baking, it's more eco-friendly. Add salt. Add black pepper. Pork tenderloin is lean, high in protein, and full of flavor. One teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of honey. Add smoked paprika. Two garlic cloves. Add salt and black pepper. This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it. Spread the sauce over the meat. Tenderloin gives you lots of protein without much fat. Chop the hazelnuts. Hazelnuts are rich in vitamins, healthy fats, and antioxidants that support heart health and strengthen the immune system. Spread it on top of the sauce. Grate 100 grams of cheese, whichever you like best. Hit that like button, or my dish might get its feelings hurt. Place the cheese on top of the nuts. Wrap the meat snugly. Secure the roll tightly using butcher's twine. Thank you for the comment, like, and subscription. Enjoy a delicious treat that's high in protein and good for digestion. Butter and vegetable oil. Sear the roll on all sides until golden brown. Even though pork tenderloin is super lean, it absorbs flavors amazingly well, so even a quick marinade can completely transform its taste, from sweet and spicy to citrusy or smoky. A little vegetable or olive oil. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Take 8 medium potato, about 500 grams. Potatoes are rich in potassium, vitamin C and B6, improve digestion, and support heart health. Place it in a bowl. Add salt. Add black pepper. Add dried marjoram. A little vegetable oil. 2 garlic cloves. Garlic, a natural antibiotic, strengthens immunity, lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Today we're making a super easy, tasty, and hearty dish. Butter and vegetable oil. Sauté the potatoes. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C and B, as well as fiber that supports digestion. Add chopped garlic. Add 200 grams of broth, about 3/4 cup, and simmer until cooked. Chop the dill. Cherry tomatoes. Tomatoes contain vitamins, antioxidants, lycopene, support heart health and immunity. "100 grams of Parmesan, about 1 cup, grated. Parmesan is rich in protein and calcium, which support bone and dental health. "200 grams of canned beans, about 1 cup. Add dill. Add salt. One tablespoon of mayonnaise. Friends, thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. It's the best reward for my work. Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss new videos. See you in the next videos and take care. Enjoy your meal.